What up guys? What up guys? I'm back again with another vlog. So yun guys, actually day 2 na to ng Sports Fest. Pero since na busy ka ako, nagmamadali ako nakapag-intro. So sama ko kayo guys, let's go!
Pastor Bay, nag-lead ng ating prayer. ADMG, meron AMDG, di ba? Ano ito AMDG? AMDG sa Latin, for the greater glory of God. Pero ang ADMG, all for God's greater glory. Dinaligtad ko lang, Dei, God. So we're doing all of this, sabi nga niya, for the greater glory of God, no? And friendship and everything.
May video pala yan!
So, i-ready nyo na yung mga cheers nyo, guys!
Projection and delivery is 30%.
Confidence, 30%. Overall,
moments later.
Alright! Now we're ready for our Muse presentation. Starting off with Black Team, contestant number 1 from Just Right, Black Team. Nasaan yung mga taga-Just Right? So, I'm representing Just Right, Abu Dhabi. Next, Orange Team from Wanalin. Nasaan yung mga taga-Wanalin?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yurka Mayduna Oman, representing from the farm city, Wanalay.
Next up is Yellow Team from United Bikers, Abu Dhabi.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sir Abdul Majid, proudly representing United Bikers.
We call on Red Team from Chain Drive.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Eva Grace Catalonia, 33 years of age. I'm honored to represent the amazing team, Chandra!
Pink Team, TGIS.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Hannah Perez, 16 years old, proudly representing Thank God It's Saturday TGI.
Team Red.
Hello, everybody. My name is Precious, representing Brad.
And now let me call on contestant number 7 from Green Team, Ride On.
My name is Kim, and I am proud, honored, excited to represent Ride On! Root team from Warsagasa! Hello, everyone. I am Crystal Lucer, 20 years old, representing Warren Sagasa.
Number 7, Green Team from Ride On. Green Team, Ride On. Ride On is
I love your confidence.
Our second runner-up is contestant number 1, Miss Sulay from Team Joshua.
And next, let's go with the first runner-up, none other than candidate number 4, Chain Drive. Pinaka
want something just like